Alrighty, now let's talk about some business insurance for your business. And this is going to be something that's very important as well. Now, you have going to have different types of business insurance, and your general business insurance is going to be very, very meaningful, and it's going to protect you. Now, a lot of you know when you get your LLC, you have limited protection when you have an LLC. Your LLC is not going to fully protect your business. And so this is why you sometimes, especially if you get in a government contract, you may have to get $1 million policy, which is not going to be that bad. It all depends on your insurance, the type of business you have. It all depends on some of the risk factors that is, a part of your business. So you want to make sure you want to know that. You want to keep that in mind, okay? And your errors and omission insurance is going to be one that you want to protect yourself to in case someone wants to sue you as well. That is really good for coaches and things of that sort, business coaches or consultants or either other other service businesses. And you got a lot of, if you're dealing in real estate, you have different type of insurance that you should have. So you need to basically know what type of insurance is going to benefit you and your business. But like I said, don't think that the LLC is going to be that only hard protection for your business, but it's not. It's not going to be the only thing. Oh, it's not going to be the only thing that is going to be needed for your business. And so anyway, let's see, what else should we talk about? We should discuss, before we end this conversation with the business, we need to talk about something else that I think you need to get with your business to be protected with your insurance. Oh, and because you do know that there's people just waiting out here to maybe, if you have a brick and mortar, you definitely want to get some accidental insurance for somebody come in your business and slip and fall. Usually some of your policies will have that baked in, but you want to always have that extra cushion. And it all depends on if you feel like this insurance will protect you and you have enough to protect you in case something do happen. Because not only it can happen to one person, maybe it can happen to many. It all depends on what's going on with your business. And then also, let's say if your business has employees, you definitely want to worry about that workman's compensation insurance. You definitely don't want to forget about any of that. So there's a lot of business insurance, different kind of business insurance that you need to know about, you need to be aware of. And so we talk about all of this, we go over this in a 90-day intensive, and we protect you and your business and make sure that you separate your business from your personal, because an attorney can pull back the veil. And especially if you had any of those funds commingling from a personal to your business or from your business to the personal, they got you. So you don't want that to happen. They got you, meaning they can peel back the veil and they can go in and take some of your personal assets if you were to ever be in a lawsuit against your business. Okay, so you don't want that to happen. And make sure that all of the other basic things are structured in your business. Like, you may have, even if you have your credit card, so even if you have any sorts of credit, you want to make sure that you have that implemented into your business insurance policy. So there's a lot that you have to do, but it's very rewarding now. So don't feel like that, this is overwhelming in business. It's not overwhelming. It's very, very necessary. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.